Have you noticed this too? The same product, one ad gets scrolled past instantly while another makes you stop. Why does that happen? The product is the same, the budget could be the same, but the conversion completely different. The answer is simple. It's not the ad that wins, it's attention that wins. For example, one ad got around 1 lakh views, but the CTR was barely 0.7% and the conversion rate was just 0.8%. Another ad for the same exact product got over 10 million views with a CTR of 2.5 to 3% and a conversion rate of 3 to 4%. Same audience, same spend, almost 3 to 4x better results. The difference wasn't in the product. It was in how well the ad captured attention. So what actually makes an ad convert? Why does one person's ad work while someone else putting in the same effort sees no results? Is it a better camera, a bigger budget, or something else entirely? That's exactly what we are breaking down today. Ads that don't just look good but actually convert. Not just views, not just likes, but real clicks, real leads, and real sales. The first and most important factor is the visual hook. If you don't capture attention in the first 2 seconds, the game is over. People will scroll. In today's world, grabbing attention is the hardest job because audiences are already overloaded with content. Your visual hook doesn't have to be complex, but it has to be effective. It could be a sudden movement, an unexpected frame, or something that doesn't look like typical content. A strong visual hook creates curiosity in the very first frame. It should act as a pattern interrupt, something that makes a scrolling user pause, even if just for a second, and think, what is this? Some of the best visual hooks are unexpected actions instantly break scrolling behavior. Unusual setups create curiosity before the message even begins. Bold expressions or direct eye contact can force attention in the first frame. Anything that feels different from regular content becomes a natural stop signal. If your visual hook is strong, you've already won half the battle. Next comes the text hook. This is the first line of your ad, the line that decides whether someone stays or scrolls. A strong text hook makes the viewer feel like the content is meant specifically for them. There are a few common types. The problem solution hook directly highlights an issue and teases a fix. Like low views? Try this. Then there's the FOMO hook, which creates urgency. Like most brands are missing this. And then the curiosity hook, where you don't reveal everything, but give just enough to make the viewer stay. Like, the reason your ad is failing is not what you think. A strong tip here is to use negative hooks more often, because directly calling out a problem tends to feel more relatable and instantly grabs attention. And the truth is, you only truly understand what works when you test it in real scenarios, which is why practical learning matters. Then comes editing hooks, which is often underestimated but incredibly powerful. Even simple edits can significantly boost conversions. A zoom in at the right moment can highlight an important line, while a blurred background can shift focus exactly where you want it. It tells the viewer what to focus on, what not to miss. Sudden zooms act as micro hooks. Blur removes distractions, and quick cuts keep the content fast-paced, so the viewer doesn't get bored. These small details help you hold attention longer, and that directly impacts performance. More watch time leads to more engagement, and more engagement increases the chances of conversion. Now let's talk about captions. Specifically emojis. Many people either overuse them or don't use them at all. But this is not a small detail. It's actually one of the most impactful elements. From real testing, it's clear that captions with well-placed emojis tend to perform better than plain text. The reason is simple. Emojis act as visual breaks. They make content easier to read and add emotion. When someone is scrolling quickly, emojis help stop the eye. But random emoji spam doesn't work. The key is strategic use. For example, this can signal urgency. This can highlight a problem. And this can indicate a solution. A caption is essentially a mini ad, and emojis are a part of its design system. So when you are creating an ad, keep a simple checklist in mind. A strong visual hook, a sharp text hook, smart editing, and a clean, well-structured caption. If you get these 4 elements right, your ad is already significantly stronger than most. Now, if you don't just want to understand this, but actually apply it, create real ads, test them, and see what converts and what doesn't, that's where things get serious. At Nexpert School of Digital Marketing and AI, the focus is simple: execution over theory. You don't just learn concepts, you work on real campaigns, use real tools, and understand real ad formats. So when you step into the field, you don't just know what an ad is, you know how it works. If you're serious about building skills in digital marketing and AI, and you want practical, hands-on learning instead of just theory, this is your sign to start. Admissions are now open. And if you found this useful, make sure to like the video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments.